This is my most viral tattoo. This can't be real. The 3D style lettering that I do, it requires a unique angle as well as proper shading to boost the illusion of depth. Any bold lines would take away from the effect. Yeah, that's kind of anything with realism. Dude, I can't even believe this is real. What the hell? I don't even know what to say. Fuck. I wonder, it probably even looks better healed, honestly. This is actually fucked. I need to find the tattoo artist's name really quick. Who did this? At Q Inks, Kadir Muhammad. Shot in the dark on the first name. Unfamiliar with the spelling. Here's another tattoo he did. What? Yo, hold on. Hold on, you're really fucking good. These are crazy. What?